Welcome back to Top's Kitchen. Today we're making a chicken bowl. So to my pan of hot oil, I'm going to add my corn. So I've added in my corn. I'm going to stir this through. We're going to allow that to cook until it is done. We're going to add some seasoning to this corn, which is our Himalayan salt, our onion salt, as well as our garlic salt. I have added in my seasonings. I'm going to stir this through. Ensure that all the corn is incorporated by the seasoning. So once my corn is cooked, I'm going to set this aside and come back with my chicken. Now my corn is cooked through, I'm going to take this out and I'm going to start on my chicken. So in the same oil that I used for my corn, I'm going to add in my chicken breast that I've cubed. Stir that through, ensuring that we get a nice fry until it is cooked through. So our chicken is almost done. We're going to add in our seasonings to it. That will be my paprika, my chicken spice, as well as my dried parsley. So now we've added in our seasonings and our spices have browned beautifully. I also added in my Himalayan salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now the chicken is ready. Let's assemble our bowl. So I've assembled my chicken and then I put my corn on top. Now I'm going to add some cheese. The cheese that I had is mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to add that on top of my chicken and my corn, like so. And then I'm gonna put that in the microwave for it to melt through. At this point, our mozzarella has melted completely. Now I'm going to add in my raw toppings. I'm going to start with raw onions. I'm going to add it like so. And then I'm going to add my diced up tomatoes. And then you just need to make sure that you season this through so that it has a bit of flavor. You can add more, guys, whatever you like. For now, I just added tomatoes and onions because this is what I had in my pantry. You can add in your lettuce, you can add in your avocado, you can add in anything you'd like as a topping. But this is what I've added, and this is my chicken bowl. So thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so that you get updated when I have another upload. I love you guys so much. Bye.